Today we're going to talk about average rate of change. And the average rate of change of any function is a concept that is not new to you. In the past, you have studied it in relation to a line. That's right. The slope, and I'm really sorry I can't fit it in on that line right there, but the slope, let's try that again. That's going to go in that blank right there. The slope of a line is the average rate of change. In the past, you calculated the slope of the line by taking the change in y and dividing it by the change in x. But when we're given a graph here, we can help ourselves out by using the idea of rise over run. And it says find the slope of the following line using two different methods. So let's do rise over run. So remember, what's going to happen is we can make a triangle here. Whoops, I went too far there, but we're going to go from there to there. Let's see if I can erase a little bit. And when we look at this, what's going to happen is rise, we went up 1, 2, 3, 4. And we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, one thing we have to be careful with, because if we're really technical here, we counted down. So let me change colors here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And because we went down, we're going to go negative, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right. So our slope is negative 4 over 5. And that's one way that we can calculate. This next page, I put find the slope by using the formula, because here's the other way, the change in y over the change in x. So remember, our 2 points are negative 2, 3, and 3, negative 1. And if we label these, here's x1 and y1, x2 and y2, negative 1 minus 3, y2 minus y1, over x2 minus x1. So when we simplify there, negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. Remember to watch out here with that double negative, because that double negative gives us a positive, and 3 plus 2 then is 5. And notice when you look back on the previous page for me, when we look back, negative 4/5, negative 4/5. And for a line, it is unique in the fact that the slope is constant. It does not change no matter what 2 points we used to calculate it on our line. It is always going to be the same when we're working with a line.